In this video, we're going to discuss a list variable. And a list variable is a group of items that are similar. And so when we talked about a regular variable, it had one element in it. For example, a number variable might have grade equals 58. Or a name variable might have my name equals Vince Dinoto. So what we're going to do here is look at similar items. So for example, it might be all the names in a grade book. So you might have the first student's name, comma, the second student's name, and so on and so forth. But those are all in one variable string, and it would be known as a list variable. Or you might have a single student's grade for each assignment, and they would be then showing 97, 56, 100, and so on and so forth. Those would be list variables. So on the screen right now, I've gone on and typed two list variables. One, a string, a text variable. So we called it list address equal. Notice there's a square bracket here. And this square bracket is important because it designates that it's a list. And then since this is a string, the variable is surrounded by quotation marks. And then a comma, and then the next member of the list inside quotation marks, comma, and so on and so forth until we get all the members of the list. So this was called list address. We could have a numerical variable, and we called this one list grades. And notice again the square brackets around the items inside the variable, and then we just have a number followed by a comma, a number followed by a comma, and so on and so forth. So we have these two list variables. We can print these list variables very simply. We can type print. We put a parenthesis here, and we're just going to put list address, and notice it comes up for me. I go outside the last parenthesis, hit enter, and notice it's typed all the members of the list. We can do the same thing with grades. So we can say print parenthesis list grades. Go outside the parenthesis, hit enter, and it's printed the members of that variable. So how we use these will be done throughout the class. We'll use them with some looping statements and some other elements. So we'll use these, and in the next video we'll show you how to print single members of the list or multiple members of a list.